Why do cats purr and how does it calm you? The secret behind this soothing sound goes far beyond cute cat behavior. Discover the surprising science that explains why purring can relax your brain and body. Cats purr for many reasons. They use purring to communicate comfort, but also to calm themselves when stressed or hurt. The vibrations from purring range between 25 and 150 hertz, which studies suggest can promote tissue regeneration and reduce pain. This means cats might purr to heal faster and soothe their own bodies. So this simple sound is actually a powerful self-care tool for cats. When you hear a cat purr, your brain responds positively. The rhythmic vibrations can trigger a release of calming chemicals like serotonin, lowering your heart rate and blood pressure. This is why snuggling a purring cat often feels incredibly relaxing. The sound acts like a natural stress reliever, helping to reduce anxiety and promote a feeling of well-being. The frequency of a cat's purr is in the same range used in physical therapy to heal bones and muscles. This means the purring vibrations might speed up recovery from injuries, not just for cats, but potentially for humans too. Some researchers even believe that being near a purring cat can help improve your own bone density and reduce swelling. So next time you hear a cat purr, remember this simple sound is packed with surprising healing power for both cats and you. It's nature's own stress buster and healer. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and keep discovering the hidden wonders around you.